Welcome to the Flo-Free Leaf Guard Advanced All-Season Gutter Protection video. My name is Steve Henderson, and I'm going to introduce you to the Flo-Free Leaf Guard product. I'm going to explain why the Flo-Free Leaf Guard product has been the most effective gutter protection system on the market for over 15 years. It's been the most effective system for not only homeowners, but also the contractors that use the product. Let's get started. Now let's talk about why the Flo-Free Leaf Guard system has been so effective. First, the design of the product. The product is made of 3/4 inch, 100% industrial strength nylon with a mixture of a chemical called carbon black mixed into the nylon. This offers it a UV protection, which enables DCI to offer a lifetime warranty on the product. What happens when the contractor goes to the home is they clean out the gutter system, also clean out the downspout, install the Flo-Free Leaf Guard system in the gutter, totally seal it with 100% silicone caulking, and offer the lifetime warranty. Now let's get into the benefits of the Flo-Free Leaf Guard product and why this is so effective. First off, installing the product, you can install the Flo-Free system in any existing or new gutters out there. You do not have to get a new gutter system at all. It also does not mess with any shingles or your roof. It does not penetrate through the roof. You're staying 100% in the gutter. The next thing is that the gutter is working exactly how a gutter is supposed to work. Most gutters are designed either 5 inches, 6 inches across the top of the gutter. That's because that's how much water it's able to handle. When you have Flo-Free Leaf Guard system installed in the gutter, it's going to still be able to handle that much water flow. But how the design of the product is that it's a woven nylon material. The top surface is very smooth and slick. So it's going to keep out all debris and all leaves from your gutter system, but accepting 100% of the rain flow to enter the gutter system through the top and run down the downspout like it's supposed to work. The next thing is that with the Flo-Free Leaf Guard system installed, you're not taking away the look of your house. On most gutters, you will not be able to see the Flo-Free Leaf Guard system installed at all. If you are able to see it, it's going to look like a shadow because the product is black, because of the carbon black chemical mixed into it. So now your gutter system is going to be able to work properly. The next thing that you want to think about is that, is this going to protect my gutters for the entire year? It will. It's going to protect during the fall, summer, spring, and winter. Like I mentioned before, the winter can be one of the worst months for damaging your actual gutter system. If you have a damaged gutter system, obviously it's probably not going to work effectively. So with the Flo-Free Leaf Guard system installed, what this is going to do during the winter months is going to keep out all the snow from your existing gutter. What this is going to do is going to keep your gutter system hollow. Like I mentioned before, the product is black. So what this is going to do is going to attract the sunlight, so that is going to be the first area on your roof that's going to melt. Then the rest of your roof is going to melt, and the system's going to work properly. The other huge benefit is that the sunlight can actually penetrate through the Flo-Free product and make sure that that gutter system is totally clear. Those are a lot of the benefits that the Flo-Free Leaf Guard system is going to offer the homeowner. Now we're going to talk about why the Flo-Free Leaf Guard system is the most marketable and systematic gutter protection product on the market. One of the main reasons is because it's a totally different gutter protection system. Most of the most popular gutter systems are gutter covers or some form or variation of it. So in the big markets, there are a lot of them competing against each other, and there's only a small difference between them. So what in turn happens is that they're competing against almost the same thing, and they get into the price wars. With this being a different looking product and a different working product, you have that much more of an edge, and you're creating a niche market for yourself. The other huge benefit with the Flo-Free Leaf Guard system is that it's one color. You don't need all these different colors that you need to stock in the product, because the Flo-Free Leaf Guard system, remember, cannot be seen from the ground. So when your estimators are going out to the job, they don't have to worry about matching the gutter protection system with the existing shingles or the existing gutter color. One product for all these different situations. Another huge benefit is that you don't need extra materials or extra machines to install the Flo-Free Leaf Guard system. What you need is a typical ladder. You need a pair of household scissors or shears, a caulk gun, and the Flo-Free product. That is all you need to install the Flo-Free Leaf Guard system. Installing Flo-Free is so easy. Make sure before beginning the installation, you check to make sure all gutters and downspouts are totally clean and in reasonably good condition. And again, all that you need is a ladder, household pair of scissors, caulk gun with silicone, and of course the Flo-Free. Now you're going to start from one end of the gutter and work your way down. We're going to go over the end cut installation. First thing you want to do is cut in about 1 inch by 1 inch at the top of the Flo-Free. Then you're going to cut about 3.5 to 4 inches by 2 inches in on the Flo-Free. Now what this is going to do is going to allow you to have a nice clean end cut once it's installed. Now with this installation, we're obviously installing this in a standard 5K gutter. It can also be installed in 6K, half round, fascia gutter, and also custom gutters. Now with this hidden hanger installation, you mark where the hidden hanger is. You're going to cut up 3 inches over approximately 1 inch on each side. We call this a T-cut. This will enable Flo-Free to fit around the hanging bracket and move slightly left or right to get a tight fit because of the T-cut. Flo-Free can be used with any gutter bracket system. For example, spike and furrow. The only difference with this installation is you would add a V-notch to the front of the Flo-Free so it would fit snug under the front lip of the gutter. Any other custom gutter bracket system, the Flo-Free could be customized to fill the need. In order to ensure Flo-Free remains snug in your gutter, we require a continuous bead of silicone be applied approximately 3 inches up on the Flo-Free. As the Flo-Free is pushed back, the Flo-Free will adhere to the gutter. Once the Flo-Free is installed, we will tuck the end cap into the gutter. Later we will run a continuous bead of silicone along the end cap and front lip of the gutter to totally seal the gutter system. Continue this process until you get to the end of the gutter run. First, you're going to mark and cut the T-cut where the bracket is. Then, with the Flo-Free partially installed in the gutter, you want to apply a continuous bead of silicone approximately 3 inches up the Flo-Free. Again, this is going to secure the Flo-Free to the back of the gutter. Then you're going to make sure to butt each piece of Flo-Free tightly against the previous piece so that there's no gaps in the coverage. There is no need to put silicone at each of the seams, but we will be putting silicone again at the end cap and along the front lip of the gutter. As you're going through the installation, the finished installed product should look comparable to the demonstration we're showing here. If the arch of the Flo-Free looks too high, the product can be customized by trimming a small amount from the bottom so the Flo-Free sits a little bit lower in the gutter. This is going to ensure that the water flows in and all the debris flows over. Now we're finishing up the installation of the Flo-Free Leaf Guard in this gutter system. Most installers install 2 pieces of the Flo-Free at a time. Makes it real easy for installation because each piece is 3 feet in length. Again, repeating the process, we finished the end cut. We're sealing the Flo-Free to the back of the gutter, butting the seams together so they totally disappear. Now the Flo-Free is installed in the gutter. We're going to go back and run a continuous bead of silicone along the end cap and the front lip of the gutter to totally secure it in the gutter system. Once the Flo-Free Leaf Guard system is installed in the gutter, it looks like one continuous run of Flo-Free. This is going to add superior strength to the Flo-Free because it's totally sealed in the gutter system. It's also going to keep 100% of the debris out of the gutter and all the water able to enter into the gutter system like a gutter was designed to work.